What's up, guys? Sherry Fox here. Welcome back or welcome to What the Fox. Now, if you're watching this video, then obviously you've got some issues with some wood. Maybe you've got some holes that you need to fill and re-drill. Maybe you have some gouges that you need to fill and paint and or stain. I don't know, but you're in the right place because as you can see, I've got a wooden door here and the holes are completely stripped. But I really need to attach this glass door to it and it needs to go back in the exact same spot. So let's get into it. The first thing we need to do is we need to remove and sand any loose debris or splinters that may be in the area. And what I'm going to be using today is called plastic wood. Guys, this product is amazing. It has real wood fibers in it. You can use it indoors or outdoors. And no, I am not being sponsored by this product, but I wish I was because I have used this on so many different projects. It comes in large cans and small cans. However, the cans do open upside down, and that is how they suggest you store the product. They also make one that has a dry time indicator. It goes on pink and it dries natural. That way you know when it's dry. And then they make one that comes in the tube. And this is really handy if you're trying to fill screw holes or nail holes. It also comes in several different colors, from natural to dark walnut. It may come in more colors than what I have listed on the screen. These are just the colors I could find. So please leave your comments if you know it comes in other colors to help others. But what I'm using is the natural. Now you can spread this with a trowel, but I'm using my finger because I really want to get as much of this product in the holes as I can. Once you get your first coat on, it may look something like this, and that's okay. Let's just let it dry. It will start drying in 15 minutes, but if your holes or your gouges are a little deep, you may want to let it dry a little longer. Once it's dry, we're going to sand it down. Now you can use a hand sander, but it's going to take a while because this product dries really hard. So my suggestion would be to get an electric sander. It's just a lot easier. Now once you get it sanded down, you really want to inspect the area. My thoughts are feeling is better than sight, so just really touch it, make sure it's nice and smooth. If you have some indentions or anything that may need some more product, just reapply, allow it to dry, and sand it back down. Now this door's finished. It could be painted right now, but I just want to show you guys that I'm pretty much going to put this bracket right back in the exact same spot. I'm drilling right through the exact same holes or pretty close to. Now this turned out really sturdy. We reattached the door and the door works perfect. But what if you need to stain this product? Well, I made a sample board for you. You can see we've got several holes and a very large gouge. I did the exact same thing. I probably put several coats on this because the gouge was really deep, so it took a while for it to dry. But when you stain this, it says you're supposed to stain it before you fill it. So that's exactly what I did. I stained it, I filled it with the plastic wood, allowed it to dry, and then I sanded it back down. And again, guys, this took several coats, and I let it dry in between each coat. We know we can drill through it, we know we can paint it, but when I stained it, this is the result I got. Now this is not a bad result, but you can still see the holes, especially around the edges. So if you guys have any suggestions on how you can kind of blend this together better, please leave it in the comments below to help others. I really appreciate you watching, guys. I want to say thank you so much for 3,000 subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope this video helps. If so, smash that like button for me. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. But when you do, don't forget to click that little bell. That way, when I upload new videos, you'll be the first to know. This is Sherry saying you guys can easily do this. Thanks again, guys, for tuning into What the Fox. Until next time, take care.